I'm just practicing my casting so I could be a better fisherman. So practice always makes you better at things. We should look in the tackle box and see what's in the tackle box. So the first thing in the tackle box is, who am I? My name is Paul Brice. I am your son or daughter's math teacher at San Diego Academy this fall 2020 term. I've been at the Academy since the Academy started in '96, and both of my sons graduated from San Diego, so I have a pretty good idea of how it works. If you ever have any questions or concerns, you can always contact me about that. So a little more about me. I grew up in Green Bay, Wisconsin, went to college in Madison, Wisconsin. After that time, I didn't have the chance to be a teacher in Madison because there was a long list of people that wanted to stay there and I didn't want to be a substitute. So fortunately, I applied to a job in Modesto, California, drove out that summer and got hired. And then stayed there for 2 years. I met a girl from California. We moved down to the San Diego district after 2 years, and we ended up getting married and both have worked in the district. My wife was a math teacher at Oak Crest and La Costa Canyon and a counselor. She currently works at Cal State San Marcos with the student teachers, and I was at Degania for 8 years before I came to San Diego. And I'm happy to say that San Diego has been a great place to be a math teacher. It definitely enhanced my profession, and I don't see myself ever wanting to teach anyplace else. So every day in class, although we're doing this online, we have tasks that we work on, and then we have homework that both gets submitted to our Google Classroom. So the tasks are content that we cover during the class period to learn the mathematics and why it works the way it does. And the homework is good practice that they both need to submit to our Google Classroom due the following school day. So your sons and daughters also have an assessment called skills tests. Skills tests are a way to practice small mathematical operations and make sure they can master them. They're part of their overall grade, and they get retakes on that and extra practice just so they can show mastery at some point. So at the end of each module, there will also be a module test. We'll review for those module tests, and that covers more of the problem solving and conceptual understanding of that module, whereas the skills test covers small, little skill practice, small assessments. Your sons and daughters will also have problems of the week. So although they're called problems of the week, there really are every few weeks. There'll be 3 for the first quarter and 3 for the second quarter. They have a few weeks to work on each one. They're interesting problem-solving activities that don't seem to have a mathematical pattern to it until they create data and work on that. And then they realize there is an interesting pattern in some math and possibly a formula that makes sense in the end. So that's all the information about this course, but I will also send you a copy of the syllabus that lists the grade breakdown and other information, and I'll email that to you. But also it's important to know what comes next after this class in the math sequence. So there is a course, a flowchart for math at San Diego Academy that is posted on the counseling website, also the math department website. And it lists what possible class your son or daughter could take next, whether that be the spring term of this year or the following year. So if your son or daughter is in Math 3 Honors right now, after this class they have quite a few choices because being past Math 3 indicates the 3 courses that are required minimum for going to a 4-year college or university. So after Math 3 Honors, they can take statistics, whether it's college prep or AP, advanced math for decision making. They can take the AP calculus sequence. It's up to them what they want to do. So be thinking about what they want to take, whether it be next semester, which would be the spring term, which may already have a math class in their schedule, or the following year. If you ever have any questions about that, you can always contact me. So that's all that I have for you for this virtual back to school night for fall term 2020. I hope that all your fishing adventures are successful. I hope your sons and daughters do well in math with my class and that they stay caught up in all of their work. If I can help out, always feel free to contact me.